grupo ang maglalaban-laban. Kaya simulan na natin to. Let's call in our contestants. Come on down, guys.
High five! High five! High five!
Ang dating beauty queen, sasamahan mo pa ng mga magaling sa bahay ni Kuya. Sina Miss Evangeline Pascual, Rica, at Trissa ang Team Eagles. Masaya. Eto naman. First quiz is an audio quiz. The category is favorite dance song. Hit it! Team Eaglets. Together Forever. Together Forever is wrong. Taas kamay, and you may steal.
You know the rules, and so do I. Commitment's what I'm thinking of.
Lovable team. Umabot.
Never gonna give you up.
Never gonna give you up is correct. 1 point. Sayang, lovable team. Let's hear it. And kung alam niyo sumayaw. Ito, Rodrick Paulate.
Don't tell me you're too close to say. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you.
1987, Rick Ashley. Napakasikat, of course, our very own Mr. Rodrick Paulate, of course. Yes. Okay. 1 point for the lovable team. Okay. Our next quiz is a phrase quiz. Category, favorite position sa Pinoy game. Hit it! Nakita namin. Team Rat Team.
Patotot in patintero.
That is wrong. Taas natin ang kamay natin. And you may steal. Maginoo Team.
Patotot sa patintero.
Patotot sa patintero is correct. Sayang, Teddy. Nasabi mo in sayang.
Thank you. English kasi, English eh. I thought. I'm sorry.
Saucy. Okay, let's move on. Next quiz is a video quiz. Favorite anime series. Hit it. Team Rat Team.
Sedi.
Sedi is wrong. Mas makamay natin. Other teams, you may steal. United Forever.
Naruto.
Naruto for the first point is correct. Let's watch it. Sedi?
Luma.
Sedi? Bago. 2002.
Naruto.
Ayan. Okay.
Yun.
1 point for Team United Forever. Tied with Team Lovable at ang Maginoo Team. Team Eaglets, Team Rat Team, habol pa kayo. Okay? Kaya yan. Okay? Eto na, we have our Scramble quiz. Category, favorite Pinoy fun rhyme. Hit it! Team Lovable to move on. Sorry, time's up. Taas mga kamay and steal! Maginoo Team.
Inalis. May dumi sa ulo, inalis, kakasal sa Lunes.
That is wrong. Taas mga kamay. May steal! Rat Team.
Inalis sa Lunes. May dumi sa ulo, ikakasal sa Linggo.
Alam niyo, subukan niyong antayin yan because that is wrong. Taas kamay and you may steal. Maginoo Team.
Dumi sa ulo, inalis, ikakasal sa Lunes.
I'm sorry, but that is absolutely wrong. Taas natin kamay and you may...
Antayin niyo muna, antayin niyo mabuma lahat. May steal.
United Forever.
Inalis, ikakasal. Inalis, dumi sa ulo.
Umalis na because that is wrong. Taas mga kamay Okay, taas mo na ang mga kamay.
Taas kamay
Okay,
natin.
Okay. May steal.
Lovable team.
May dumi sa ulo, ikakasal sa linggo. Inalis, ikakasal sa Lunes.
Correct! Congratulations, the lovable team. You are moving on to our next round.
Next quiz is a video quiz. Video quiz. Category is favorite film. Hit it.
Hey, there's the award-winning scholar.
We're all very...
Rat team.
To graduate.
To graduate, your first point is correct. Let's watch it.
Hey, there's the award-winning scholar.
We're all very proud of you, Ben.
How are you, track star?
What are you going to do now?
I was going to go upstairs for
One of
a
my
minute.
favorite actors,
I mean,
Dustin
but your
Hoffman. Dustin
future,
Hoffman.
your life.
Yes, okay, that was the graduate.
Teddy, napanood mo ba yun?
Yes, I saw that.
Parang di ako naniniwala.
Hindi ako naniniwala.
No, I saw that.
Okay, it was a good movie.
Mrs. Robinson, di ba?
It was a good movie.
Definitely, yeah.
Definitely. Okay. You have 1 point. Next up ay isang phrase quiz. At ang category, favorite school subjects. Hit it! Eaglets.
Geografiya, kasaysayan at sibika.
Na tinatawag ring
Hekasi.
1 point for the Eaglets.
Uy, Luluboy, maduguto because United Forever has 1 point. Team Eaglets, 1 point. Rat Team, 1 point. Maginoo Team, 1 point.
Yes, maganda tong laban na to. Maganda to.
Maganda.
Okay.
Next quiz is a video quiz. Favorite internet game.
Hit it! Team Eaglets. Hindi ka.
Ano? Farmville.
Sorry, hindi mo mahabot yun. Sorry. Taas muna ang mga kamay. Taas muna mga kamay. Taas ang kamay.
You may
steal.
Rat Team.
The Sims.
The Sims is wrong. Taas ang mga kamay. Others, taas muna ang mga kamay. Others may steal.
Eaglets.
Farmville.
Farmville is correct. Yes, you are moving on.
Rika, anong level mo doon? Actually, si Trisha ang may alam nito. Anong level mo? Ay, wala. Huwag mo
Ground
i-improve,
level.
Okay, well, either or, congratulations, Team Eaglets. Magandang laban to. Kung sino makakuha ng susunod na tamang sagot, automatic sila ang maglalaro sa ating next round. Team United Forever, the Rat Team, Maginoo, good luck sa anyone's game. Okay? Ang susunod ay isang scramble quiz.
Ayan na.
And the category, favorite greeting. Hit it!
Team United Forever for the win.
May you have more birthdays to come.
May you have more birthdays to come? Is correct! Ang galing! Congratulations, Team United Forever. You are moving on. Thank you very much to the Rat Team. Thank you, Team Maginoo. Thank you for playing ang hot na hot round. Susunod na sa Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko.
Welcome back to Panahon Ko To. Luluboy, kasama natin ngayon 3 teams na nakapasok sa next round natin.
Kaya ang gagawin natin ay kilalanin sila. Let's go!
Ang tatangkad ng mga teams natin,
Oo,
Luluboy.
ito ang Team Eaglets.
Team Eaglets.
Yes.
Nung panahon nyo, Luluboy, hindi tayo kasali nito nung panahon na to eh. Nung panahon nyo, sino yung parang pinaka-hunk at that time?
Jaworski,
Wow, the Big J.
Mon Fernandez, basketball players sila. Yun yung mga hangkin. Eddie Gutierrez, Fernando Po Jr.
Rika naman, sino, mga generation mo, sino mga hunk para sa inyo?
Nung kinalakihan ko, nung time, yung mga usong-uso noon time namin, yung mga taong kahoy o yung mga mga machete. Starting with Mr. Gardo Versosa.
Ah!
Yan.
Okay.
Una. And the second one, I see, si Mr. Cesar Montano.
Ah, machete talaga. Oo,
Then,
machete talaga.
Also yung time namin yung mga Moreno, din the likes of Mr. Richard Gomez. Moreno, matangkad, very, Filipino beauty.
Okay. Trisha?
Viola Pascual po.
Okay.
Tapos si Derek Ramsey. Tsaka si Enchong D.
Ah, okay. Yung mga hunks in their own right naman talaga sila lahat. Well, ladies, good luck sa inyo mamaya.
Tag team, back again. Check it, let's begin.